maybe I'm the one who's lost. Dried the roots off of my tree. Old posts and unanswered calls. I loathe myself for it all. We all drift apart. You're still in my heart. I'm just scared I've been disappointing you. And all along you'll make your move. It's been so long. How are you? And all along you'll make your move. It's been so long. How are you? How are you? With my phone in hand, I'm trembling, thinking of what I could say. But I shut the light and close my eyes. That's how I waste my time away. It's what I've been doing for years. And now I finally get the thought I'm losing someone through this. That's all I deserve at this point. And all along you'll make your move. It's been so long. How are you? And all along you'll make your move. It's been so long. How are you? And I'm afraid you might be gone. I've been a ghost for way too long. So I won't blame you if you can't. Just read